Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the Blender View menu. What is the Blender View menu? The Blender View menu shows the full range of options to manipulate viewpoints. I hope you have revised the last lecture. In that, we saw how to move around in the Blender screen. So, going into the Blender View menu helps a lot in navigation. The Blender View menu is located in the bottom left corner of the 3D window. Click on it and you will find a number of options that we practiced in the last lecture. Camera, top, bottom and various other views. Here you can even find the shortcuts. I advise you to remember the important shortcuts as it will be really helpful in the coming lectures. It will save you a lot of time. Now go to navigation and you will find more shortcuts. Just go through each one of these and you will definitely get to know what each one of them does.